Ever wondered how you could turn $100 into a cool 1 million with the right investment? Well, you're in the right place. Prepare to discover how REITs, or real estate investment trusts, could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. So what exactly are REITs, and why are they such a golden opportunity for investors? Let's dive in. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. This can range from shopping malls and office buildings to hotels and apartments. Essentially, when you invest in a REIT, you're buying shares of a company that owns real estate properties. Now, why does this matter? Well, real estate has traditionally been a solid investment, providing both income and potential appreciation. However, buying and managing properties is not something everyone can or wants to do. This is where REITs come in. They allow you to invest in real estate without having to buy or manage properties yourself. But here's the real kicker. REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. This means that as a REIT investor, you can enjoy a steady stream of income, regardless of how the property market is doing. Moreover, REITs are traded on major stock exchanges, just like regular stocks. This means they offer the liquidity that direct real estate investments typically lack. You can buy and sell shares of a REIT anytime during market hours, making them a flexible investment. Finally, let's talk about diversification. With REITs, you can invest in a variety of properties across different sectors and geographic locations. This can help spread out your risk and potentially increase your returns. In essence, REITs open up the world of real estate investment to anyone and everyone. They offer the potential for steady income, capital appreciation, liquidity, and diversification. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, REITs could be a golden opportunity to grow your wealth. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how you can turn that $100 into $1 million with the power of REITs. The secret sauce that can turn $100 into a fortune lies in two key financial concepts: reinvestment and compound interest. Reinvestment is the strategy of using your earnings to buy more assets. In the context of REITs, this means using the dividends you receive to purchase additional units. This can significantly increase your holdings over time, amplifying your earning potential. Now, let's talk about the second ingredient in our secret sauce: compound interest. Often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest is truly magical. It's the process by which the interest you earn on your investment starts earning interest itself. In other words, your earnings generate even more earnings. Just imagine, if you invest $100 and it grows 10% each year, after the first year, you'll have $110. Now, the magic happens in the second year. Your investment doesn't just grow another $10. Instead, it grows by $11 because now you're earning 10% on your initial $100 and the extra $10 you earned in the first year. The additional $1 may seem trivial, but remember, this process repeats itself year after year, and the extra earnings can add up significantly over time. When you combine reinvestment with compound interest, your investment can grow exponentially. The dividends you reinvest contribute to your overall investment, which then earns interest. This interest then earns more interest, and so on. It's a cycle that, given enough time, can turn small investments into massive fortunes. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and time. But the potential rewards are immense. Remember, the most successful investors are not necessarily those who make the biggest investments, but those who understand and leverage the power of reinvestment and compound interest. The power of reinvestment and compound interest can turn a modest initial investment into a substantial fortune. Skeptical? Here are some real-life success stories. Take John, for instance. John was an average Joe working a 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet. He had $100 to spare, and he decided to invest it in a REIT. It was a small amount, but he had faith in the power of compound interest. Fast forward 20 years and John is now a millionaire. Yes, you heard that right. It all started with a mere $100. Then, we have Sarah. She was a young professional who consistently invested a small portion of her paycheck in REITs. She carefully selected her investments, focusing on high-quality properties with potential for growth. Over the years, her investments grew, and now she has a portfolio worth over $1 million. And let's not forget about Alex. Alex was cautious, skeptical about the potential of real estate investment. But he decided to give it a shot. He started with $100, just like John. He reinvested his dividends, allowing his investment to compound. Today, Alex doesn't just own a piece of a building, he owns a piece of the city. These are not just stories, these are real people who reaped the benefits of investing in REITs. They didn't have a fortune to start with. They didn't have insider knowledge. What they had was $100, a belief in the power of investment, and the patience to let their money work for them. These investors started small, but with patience and the right strategy, they were able to achieve incredible returns. Their stories prove that you don't need to be a Wall Street bigwig to make a fortune. All you need is $100, a little bit of knowledge, and a whole lot of patience. So, are you ready to write your own success story? Now that you understand the potential of REITs, how can you maximize your returns? Well, it all starts with choosing the right REITs. Not all REITs are created equal, and it's crucial to do your homework. Look for REITs that are well-established, have a solid track record, and are managed by experienced professionals. They should also have a diverse portfolio of properties to reduce risk. Timing your purchases is another crucial component. While it's impossible to consistently time the market perfectly, you can still make informed decisions. Keep an eye on the market trends and the broader economy. Look for opportunities when prices are low, but be careful not to fall into the trap of trying to time the market. Diversification is another important strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different types of REITs, such as those focusing on commercial, residential, and industrial properties. This will help protect you from fluctuations in any one sector. Remember, investing in REITs is not about making a quick buck. It's about the long game. Be patient and stick to your strategy. The power of reinvestment and compound interest can do wonders over time. Whenever you earn dividends, consider reinvesting them back into the REIT. This will allow your investment to compound and grow exponentially over the years. And finally, keep learning. The world of REITs is complex and constantly evolving. Stay informed about market trends, new opportunities, and changes in regulations. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. With the right strategy, anyone can maximize their returns and potentially turn $100 into $1 million. There you have it. The secret to turning $100 into $1 million with REITs. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a journey of patience, discipline, and strategic investment. We've covered the basics of what REITs are, a golden opportunity for investors to tap into lucrative real estate markets without needing to purchase physical properties. We've seen the power of reinvestment and compound interest, the magic formula that can turn a modest sum into a significant fortune over time. We've heard the inspiring stories of those who've transformed their financial futures with REITs, proving that this isn't just theory, but a practical reality for many savvy investors. We've also shared some strategies to maximize your returns. Remember, choosing the right REITs, timing your purchases wisely, and diversifying effectively can all play a crucial role in your investment journey. It's not about making a quick buck, but about building a stable, long-term investment portfolio that can weather the ups and downs of the market. And most importantly, we've stressed that you don't need a large initial investment to start. Even a modest sum like $100 can be the first step on your path to financial freedom. It's about starting small but thinking big. REITs hold the potential to transform lives, offering a powerful tool for those who are patient, disciplined, and willing to learn. They remind us that with the right approach, long-term investment strategies can indeed lead to significant wealth. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards financial freedom with REITs today.